I'm Allison from Red Heart, and I'd like to share with you why Red Heart with Love is so loved by knitters, crocheters, and crafters too. With Love is an ultra soft and premium quality acrylic yarn. You'll love how nice it feels in your fingers as you work with it. The wide range of on-trend colors make it easy to find the perfect color for what you're creating. You'll love that all the wonderful solids are no-dye lot, which means that if you run out of yarn, you can go and get another skein and not worry about the new yarn matching. With Love multis are great on their own or mix easily with the solids. You will love With Love yarn for all types of projects: throws and blankets, pillows, scarves, hats, and other wearables. With Love is easy to keep clean by putting in the washer and the dryer. Whether it's a huggable child's toy or a large throw, people love that it comes out of the wash fresh and renewed. It's nice to know that when you want to make something with your personal love added to it, there's the perfect yarn with the name that says it all: With Love. With Love is a number 4 medium weight yarn. Solid colors come in 7-ounce skeins with about 370 yards, and multicolors come in 5-ounce skeins with about 250 yards per skein. For more information, go to redheart.com.